I used to have poor body language, no hand movements, no confidence at all. Now people appreciate my confident body language. Here is what I did in the last 1 year, which I'll teach you in the next 30 seconds. But first, why is it important? Psychology says your body speaks volume. In fact, you communicate more with your body than your words. Here are some practical tips. Change starts with awareness. I became mindful of my hand movements and body postures. Second, I started imitating TED talkers as they are master at expressing their ideas through their bodies. Third, our hand movement plays a massive role in public speaking. Practice effective hand movements as well. Of course, working out in the gym made a big difference. It gave me control over my body. And practicing power poses has been a game changer. For example, practicing Superman pose, right? Putting your hands on your hip and standing like a Superman. Or the CEO pose, right? Or the victory pose, putting your hands up in the air, feeling powerful like a winner, right? And when you practice these poses effectively, you feel confident and act confident. Of course, it takes time and deliberate effort to hone your body language, but it's worth it, trust me.